friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leanne and I'm an interior designer here in Carlsbad, California, also known as North County, San Diego. Today I am so excited because I'm going to walk you through my most recent project right here in Calavera Hills, where we came in, blew the place up, and created a brand new master suite retreat. So before we get started, I want to show you what it looked like the first day that I got there. On the plans, and I got to work on the design boards and the shopping. The demo is done. Check out this view.
Say you don't wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone.
Everything is cleared out except for the tub. This is the master bedroom. Crazy. After almost 4 months and 3 client vacations, it was finally install day.
Cause I'm fine on my
Up 2 inches. Do you think it's not?
It will look fantastic either way, but 2 inches is the way to go.
Okay, deal. So that's it for the Rich Field Carlsbad Project. What do you guys think? Are you in love with it as much as I am? I could not be happier for my clients, and I know that they're so pleased with the final result, and it was well worth the wait. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.